In this video, you'll learn how to embed a video in Mailchimp. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to add a video link to your email campaigns effortlessly, enhancing your communication with subscribers. Start by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your internet browser and enter the Mailchimp website address. If you are not already signed in, provide your login credentials to access your account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the button labeled Create Email and click on it to begin the process. After clicking Create Email, you will be directed to a new page where you can choose how to design your email. Select the option labeled Start from Scratch. This choice allows you to create a customized email layout tailored to your needs. Once you select this option, you will see a blank email template ready for editing. Next, locate the content block options on the right side of the screen, find the section labeled Video and drag it into your email template. This action will create a video placeholder in your email where you can embed the video link. Ensure that the video block is positioned where you want it within the email layout. Once the video block is placed, click on the button that says Add URL. This will open a dialog box where you can input the video link. Make sure you have the correct video URL available. If your video is hosted on a platform like YouTube or Vimeo, copy the link from the browser and paste it into this field. After entering the video URL, type it carefully to avoid any errors. It is essential to ensure the link is valid so your subscribers can view the video seamlessly. Once you have entered the URL, confirm your entry by clicking on the Save button. This step is crucial as it finalizes your video link. Following the save action, you will need to click on the option labeled Save and Exit. This will ensure that all your changes are stored and that you can return to the main campaign page. If you are using a large video file, be aware that it may take longer to process depending on your internet connection speed. Finally, to send your email with the embedded video, return to the campaign editing page, look for the button labeled Send and click on it to initiate the email dispatch. Before sending, double check that everything appears as intended in the email preview. This confirmation helps avoid any mistakes that could affect your communication. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.